Hello and welcome back to the European Cybersecurity Challenge 2024 live in Turin. I'm here with our next guest, Ioan Constantin, head coach of Team Romania. Welcome, Ioan.
Thank you. Thank you for having me and for having us at this lovely event.
So, Ioan, could you give us a brief introduction about yourself?
I'm a cybersecurity expert working with Orange Romania, the largest telco in Romania and the principal technical sponsor of Team Romania. I've been working in cybersecurity for some 20 years now. I mostly do architecture and development for new services and new products in cybersecurity for business-to-business customer. And I am a huge fan of Team Romania.
Yeah, I can tell. So, about Team Romania, can you give us some details about the selection process or how Team Romania is formed?
So we've been engaging with ECSS since I believe it was the 2015, and we've since refined the selection process. And for this year, we had a very complex selection tree with people joining some boot camps and some CTFs from 3 different tracks. We had one national cybersecurity event competition organized by ourselves and some other partners called Unbreakable Romania, and that's the largest cybersecurity competition in Romania. By all means, it mostly caters to young people in high school and at the university level. This was our first track. Then we had the Romanian Cybersecurity Challenge, which is basically a sort of sister competition to ECSC, but at a smaller scale and just for Romanian people. And not the least important, we had our first Cybersecurity Olympics in Romania, like endorsed and supported by the Ministry of Education. And this was the first edition, hopefully of many more to come. So we had people coming from 3 tracks and converging into one CTF. From that CTF, we've selected the best 30 people, boys and girls, so ladies and gentlemen. We've moved to one boot camp during the summer, through which we've selected the team that represents Romania here in Turin.
Yeah, actually, Romania has an amazing tradition in cybersecurity. Like you also won ECSC, right? And you also organize many amazing competitions. Like I played DEF Camp, for example, in Bucharest. So
yeah, DEF Camp is we're very proud of that because we are engaged in organizing DEF Camp, and we are the DEF Camp is powered by Orange, so we are part of it. And it is the largest cybersecurity event in Central and Eastern Europe, and it keeps growing, and it keeps adding very valuable speakers and very interesting info and papers and technical stuff, and of course the DevCTF, which is quickly becoming the de facto standard when it comes to cybersecurity competitions in Central and Eastern Europe. So we're very proud to have that, and I'll take this opportunity to invite each of the people that will get to see this interview to buy tickets and come in Bucharest this year in November, right? Late November for DEF Camp. We are going to host it in the Palace of Parliament. That's the large iconic building in the city center of Bucharest. Yeah. It will be very, very nice.
Yeah, I'm actually going to play the finals in Bucharest.
Well, fingers crossed.
Fingers crossed. Yes. So are you enjoying it in Turin?
Yeah, I love it. I love it. It's a wonderful city. I mean, the weather could have been better, but the city definitely compensates for the autumn weather. Yeah. It's lovely. A lot of things to do, a lot of things to see. I hope that maybe I'll get some time tomorrow before the hot wash just to visit. Yeah, to visit, to walk the city a bit.
Yeah, it's amazing. So, Ioan, one last thing. There are so many young talents here playing. Some of them very, very young. So, if you could give them like a word of advice, especially for their careers, their future careers.
Keep playing. Do not stop playing in CTFs as your career advances. It is probably one of the best things that you could actually do. Keep engaging in these communities, be part of the community, create CTFs, write your own challenges, post them, try to get as many people engaging with those with your with your stuff, and always look forward, because there are a lot of opportunities ahead for the young people that are here.
Yeah. So keep learning always. Yeah. So thank you very much, Ioan Constantin, head coach of Team Romania.
Thank you for having me.